Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's a 120 pack, 3-inch polishing pad for drill sanding attachment. Variety kit with a 5/16-inch and a 1/4-inch shank for car polishing, waxing, sealing glaze. Sanding pads includes 80 grit up to 3,000 grids. By the way, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description so you guys could check out this item. And if there's a coupon box code, make sure you click on it before you check it out. And I would like to give this shout out to Frank from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and then check out these items. And right here's the product description that I just went over. It says abrasives, skill works well, never go wrong. So yeah, make sure you wear all your safety gears. It's by NYNM. So this is the blue pad sponge. So this one is a little bit harder, the white one, compared to the blue one. See, when I squeeze it, the blue one goes all the way down, but not the white one. So I got black, blue, white, yellow, and then there is orange. Got this buffering pad in case you need to work on your car after you wax it, or buffering your headlights and make it clear. And this kind is the flat foam pad. Got orange and a black one. So the black one is a little softer than the orange one. And you have this microfiber fast polishing pad, 2 pieces. Yeah, it's very soft. So this is you could polish by hand if you don't want to use power drill, electric drill, or the pneumatic tool. And this is pretty padded. So this is Velcro. You could interchange any pads very fast. Or you have a shower glass door. You could try to use this to clean your glass door. There's some attachment right here. This is a 1/4" hex, and then a 5/16 or 8mm attachment. So on this side is the Velcro attachment again. And then you can make this tighter. There's a nut right here, and then a washer. So the washer doesn't come out, which is good. So this one is 1/4 inch. And then this is the bigger one, 5/16. And then Velcro. And you can interchange these two. And right here is all the different grid of sand paper. Got the 80 grid, 180, 240, 320, 400, 600, 800, 1,000, 2,000, and then 3,000. So yeah, you want to start to sand down, depending on what you're painting or what you try to sand. And just put this under the power tool. Yeah, let's go and then try it. And you also get this masking tape, orange color. Right? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.